Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Djibouti. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Djibouti eVisa website. So the very first thing I would recommend you is to go and click on information, so that all the FAQs that you may or may not have can be answered, like who can apply and what do you need, what information you need, what is the mode of payment, refund, and all such things are gonna be answered here. How much it cost, okay, and then uh, you can proceed. All right. So once you're ready, click on apply visa. 3 steps: sign up, fill, and proceed. So click on apply visa. So this opens a new pop-up. I'm gonna take you. So here you go. So put your first name, last name, address, home country, email ID, mobile number, and create your credentials. Okay. And then click on sign up. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, after system sends the email, you need to click on the link to confirm your account. And once you confirm, you can log in and here you come. So when you create an application, you can go for express visa. Otherwise, you can go for ordinary. So I'll leave it up to you based on your requirement. So I select this visa code Scissor. That's for like your tourism. So 4 tabs, but basically 3. First 2 where you're going to put your information. Third is attachment. 4 is preview. For yourself, for third party, I select self. Do all the information as per your own case, not what I'm doing. Surname, given name, gender, date of birth. Just sample guys. You can also select by clicking on the field. Birthplace, check your passport, what is written there. Birth country. Be very careful guys. One small mouse movement and things will go beyond what you wanted to. But yes, always check before you submit and check 2 times. Current nationality, profession, IT consultant. Marital status, I select single. Email address. I'm putting sample, you don't do like this. And you cannot copy paste, I have already tested that. So you have to type. In a way, it's good also, so that if you're doing any mistake, probably in second attempt, it will get through. Language, I select English. Origin country, so I select India. Address, your residential address. Of course, you know your address. I don't have to tell you anything about that. Select country, country of residence, city, address in Djibouti. If you're booked hotel or you're gonna stay with someone, you have the address. I don't have to tell anything about that. Next is gonna be travel information, your passport number. Be very careful. Issuing country, date of issue. Now if you click here, date of expiry, again select last visited country if applicable, additional information if you want to provide. Date of arrival, let's say you're coming this. Date of departure, let's say you're doing March. Here you're gonna come. Purpose, let's say tourism. We have gone to attachment section. Okay. What are the things you need? Photograph you need. Pass and start specifications given. Passport copy you need. Ticket reservation. Hotel booking. So basically photograph, passport, air ticket, hotel booking, invitation letter if you're going to stay with someone. And then you're going to go on save and continue and then preview and submit. Then you're going to do the payment And once you finish your payment, it will go under payment completed, and if granted, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.